Hey family, it's your girl Quena.
Hey, you there.
Back with
Another one.
Today, we need to clean out this refrigerator. Oh my God, it has gotten so messy and so disorganized over the last couple of months. I'm not gonna lie. I have been slipping. I have been just throwing groceries in there. I haven't been using my organizer bin. So it is like in disarray right now. It is a complete and utter abomination.
I'm Health Inspector Yellowtail. I'm officially closing down your restaurant.
Look at this mess. I got things in Ziploc bags. I got things in bags. Things still in their original containers. And the problem that I have with this is because I'm not putting things away the correct way, these things are going bad so quickly. Look at this. I got saran wrap over top of the bowl of food. Like this right here, this is just, I can't do it. It gotta go. I got old food in here, new food in here.
This shit right here, this shit.
Everything mixed up. Look at how packed this tray is. Look at that. We gotta do something about this right now. And I got a meal prep. I can't meal prep with stuff. Like, look at this. Let's just say this is old. So I know that packing a refrigerator like this is really not doing well for the health of the refrigerator. So let's get it together right now. Let's dig in. I didn't even know there was kiwi back here. That's why I like organizing my fridge. I just bought some kiwi yesterday because I didn't know that there was kiwi in this refrigerator. All the way in the back, buried. Mushrooms, black, all the way black. I have these random lemon and lime just sitting in here like, what am I doing? Why is this just sitting in here? I found so many of these random cuts of lemon and lime just sitting around the refrigerator. It's not even about the disorganization in the fridge because everybody doesn't have to have an organized fridge. That's not what it is. It's the fact that I have stuff in here growing arms and legs.
My show was cooking the beat. Hey, it's a party for show. Tell everybody you know. We found a whole nother wave. This about to hit up the coast. I see the look in your eyes. I know that look in your eyes. I know you know it's a vibe. Hey, this finna ride. Homie, don't you even try. Nothing but love up inside. Hey, we got the glow. So don't you be throwing no shade, ayy. We do it all for the name, yeah. Cause we ain't never been the same. It's all up, baby. Leveled up, yeah.
And here's the damage.
Jesus Christ.
All of this. I have my job cut out for me. Got all of this, piles of food everywhere. Piles of food everywhere. I even had the ladies on the floor. Whew. Okay, we got this. Let's get to it.
If you keep watching how we move, give it all you got and it might come right back to you. And if it goes up, then it goes up. And if
I find that wiping this down with a sponge is very helpful because it soaks up all of that excess stuff that you're trying to get. Whereas I feel like a rag just kind of like wipes over stuff and just smears stuff. So I use the sponge to help soak it all up. And as you can see, my homemade multi-purpose cleaner works miracles because look how clean it's getting the fridge already. It's just washing the stuff right away.
and if it's a vibe, let it vibe out.
Check it, ready, set it off. I ain't gon' stop till I get it all. I bring the vibe when I get involved. For me and my people, I bet it all. I set it all, I've been there, done that. Kick off the party, I run back. Check the take, I won that. The game, I already won that. No solo, so I met the squad, I got on my team. They told me to shine like I'm Mr. Clean. Don't mess with the average, you know what I mean? Go to movie when I take on the scene. I did it alone since I was a teen. Now all of the family a part of the dream. Check out the vibes, we keep it supreme, yo.
We got what you want if you keep watching how we move. Give it all you got and it might come right back to you. And if it goes up, then it goes up. And if it goes down, then it goes down. And if it goes up, then it goes up. And if it's a vibe, let it vibe out. And if it goes up, then it goes up. And if it goes down, then it goes down. And if it goes up, then it goes up. And if it's a vibe, let it vibe out.
With these big old pieces, it's like I'm taking a bath over here. I'm giving the sink a bath, the floor a bath, and myself a bath.
If it's a vibe, let it vibe out. If it's a vibe, let it vibe out. Todos son bienvenidos, traiga tu energía contigo. No puedo agitarlo, siempre traigo mío. De los Estados Unidos, tenemos vibraciones, míralos. Y cuando nos piden, diles que así es como vivimos.
Alright, so I'm about to clean the outside of the refrigerator because that's just as important as the inside, right? That's what we're going to do right now. I'm going to go ahead and take this stuff off, these letters that Tootah and Yimmie use.
One time for the draft, you already know what it is. Look.
Swinging through the city with my babe. That's my main thing. Had to switch it up. Had to switch. Had to change that. Swinging through the city with my babe. That's my main thing. Had to switch it up. Had to switch. Had to, yeah.
I done came down, had to pull up. Pull up on you, had to tell you how much it mean to me. Yeah, you know it's true. I ain't got a lot of dollars in my pocket, but my heart is what you put your stock in. I don't need no other options. Baby, won't you come and hop in? We can take the 45 to 20. Introduce you to the east side. Ride or die, you my all or nothing. Baby girl, won't you be mine? You ain't gonna need nobody else. I'ma have to keep you all to myself. Girl, I know that's selfish, but I just can't help it. That's why I keep
Swinging through the city with my babe.
See, I got the eyes for you.
See, they talk about people who save shopping bags, but watch how they come in handy. I have to throw away all of the food that, you know, wasn't good, but I don't like to throw just food straight into the trash can. Call it old school. My grandmother taught me this. Shout out to my grandmother. Rest in peace. Put your food in a little shopping bag, double bag it up, and then throw it in the trash can. It keeps the raccoons from gnawing at your trash. Trust me, you're not gonna regret it.
Dude, what? How?
Turn your mouth into the architect, berry pink. Chewy loving on your taste buds, nearly mix. Let it melt until that last thing. Mango tango Rita, make you wanna meet a sour apple twist. It's the type to make your eyes cry, get your fix. Let it seep into your bloodstream, let it kick. Ooh, it's that juicy taste explosion. I'ma let it drip, 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 drip down. Drip, 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 drip down. Purple grape, sweet as silk, it's just like lavender. Chocolate fizz, seeping down into your bloodstream. Sprinkle it, let it melt until that last bit. Mango tango Rita, make you wanna meet it. I'm like, ooh, don't take it back. I need it more than twice. It's habit wreaking heavy on my body every night. Got it, cut it, cut it back. Got it, cut it, cut it back. Drip, 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 drip down. Drip, 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 drip down.
High fructose, yellow butter toast. I got all the flavors. I got all the flavor. High fructose, yellow butter toast. I got all the flavors. I got all the flavor. High fructose, yellow butter toast. I got all the flavors. I got all the flavor.
Yeah. Yeah. I was finna write a song about how I've been hella stressed, but I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding to kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring.
I know it's dumb trying to pretend, cause everyone has an end. Can't ignore the gray hairs popping every new year. Noticing all the lines grow deeper when I smile. I used to think I still got time to waste, but lately I feel like it's too late. Met you when you were 19, I'll stay with you till 90. There's no way to stop now, let's go for another round. Made another trip around the sun, got a little close, it almost burned us up. Made another trip around the sun, can't stop the time, but time it can't stop us. Never too late to go off, never too old to grow up, never too late to go off, so go on. Never too late to go off, never too old to grow up, never too late to go off, so go on.
Woke up this morning with multiple backaches.
I did.
Still feel like I was just 21 last week.
21.
I'm sorry, I'm living the future, I can't wait.
Wait.
Please stay in the moment or else it'll pass away. Can't move the same like I did in my past ways. Had to bring out the Bengay. Might have poured out a jar, regret on these pancakes. Overeating's a bad trait. Nothing gets under my skin like a handshake. Injected with bad faith. Getting older kinda feels like ballet. I'm just watching a matinee.
Made another trip around the sun, got a little close, it almost burned us up. Made another trip around the sun, can't stop the time, but time it can't stop us. Never too late to go off, never too old to grow up, never too late to go off, so go on. Never too late to go off, never too old to grow up, never too late to go off, so go on. Never too late to go off, never too old to grow up, never too late to go off, so go on. Never too late to go off, never too old to grow up, never too late to go off, so go on. Have I ever told you, boy, you're getting finer with age? I know it doesn't feel true, but babe, you got no exposure.